It's not about looking busy. You actually have to make progress. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about working efficiently and being productive. There's no point in looking extremely busy, doing so many different things throughout the day and then realizing that you haven't accomplished not even one thing that you plan to do. You haven't ticked off one thing in your to-do list because you were so busy doing nothing. You have to actually make progress. There's no point in looking extremely busy. What are you so busy doing? It's better to have 2 full effective working hours and end your day there rather than doing 12 hours of absolutely nothing, touching here and touching there. You have to be efficient with how you use your time. When you're trying to do everything, when you have a to-do list and you're trying to do everything at the same time, you'll find that you're actually just busy doing nothing. So it's important to be efficient. Get rid of the distractions, set yourself some time. If it means doing block hours in order for you to be able to tick off what you've done, but make sure that you're focusing at one task at a time. That's how you become very efficient in your doing. There's no point of saying I'm busy. You're researching 10 different things at the same time. You're not going to give it your full potential. You're not going to be effective with your research. You can't be trying to start 10 different businesses at the same time. You can't be trying to start 10 different ways to exercise at the same time. Focus on one thing, but make sure that you're busy making progress. Some people that are always on the go, always busy doing things, always seem to be attending meetings, always seem to be writing books, always seem to be acting, always seem to be doing all these different things, but their heart is never really into one particular thing, and then they look back at the end of the year and realize that they've attained nothing. You have to make sure that you've got a main focus. Yes, you can do small little things along the way, but what is your main focus? What is it that you're trying to achieve? Focus on one thing that you're trying to achieve and go for it. Give it your all, 100% undivided attention. Don't be distracted and work efficiently. At some point your brain stops working. You stop learning information. You can't read for 10 hours a day and expect absorbed all the information that you've read. You can't research for 10 hours a day and expect to have gained as much knowledge as you can. It's all about being effective. It's all about you picking a time when you're most productive. You know when you're most productive. You know when your brain works best, whether you're a night person, a morning person. You know when you're most effective. So use those times when you know that you'd be more effective as a way to gaining the maximum knowledge, and use the rest of the time to tick off other things on your to-do list. But whatever it is, make sure that you're not just being busy doing nothing, or just trying to appear busy, or just trying to appear that you're doing something when you're actually not accomplishing anything. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.